I think that it will happen.
Yeah, okay.
Banca Generali is a leading private bank and offer services in wealth management and financial planning. In office automation, we had several applications made on a mixed approaches and technology. So we define the best technology to support our customers.
We did a market benchmark, and OutSystems emerged as the best solution to meet our goals.
For this kind of technology, we have internal center of excellence in order to acquire skill, to have a strong governance of the platform, and how we use the platform and the application we develop on it.
So far, we have developed 25 new applications in less than 2 years. For each application, we conduct an efficiency analysis to measure the reduced effort dedicated to the activity and the overall cost and time savings. I can tell you that in some cases, we have even reduced time and effort dedicated to the development by 30-40%. And we followed the OutSystems best practices by defining standards and the main building blocks. The combination of low code and a lot of capabilities that OutSystems provide for us were the best solution to have an easy tool to develop the activities and the processes for our internal users.
We follow with a lot of interest ODC and the AI features. In Banca Generali, we think that AI is a true game changer. Adopting OutSystems had for sure a positive impact for the company.
Perfect, thanks.
Incredible.
It was perfect.